Kaseng Congress menta kasngi kalanang yok bor syu hadin bakumba ars pa Ngut ki Nongtrei Jong ki Seng baper ki bakuntup ya kaseng NPP BJP but UDP na West Shillong constituency kila Leit ban Ïasnoh bat kaseng Congress ukli du ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala uloong bakani kadang day tang kajing sedang namar ba kidang bun ki Nongtrei Jong ki Seng san perthai baper ki bandang Leit Ïasnoh bat kaseng Congress Jong kani ka jilla uloong ru ba ki bansawan pin Ïasnoh shen bat kaseng Congress kin day ki nongelam Jong kaseng TNC na Nongtrei constituency hadin ke election siteng samoy hagam begre.
As of today, I see that I'm quite confident. I'm very happy to see that in the Congress there are new faces, like I said, new energy and lots of new innovations also. Like they launch our own website. People can join online. They don't have to, suppose like in the block where people they don't allow them to join like before. Now they can join from anywhere in the world, from any part of Meghalaya, any part of India. So we have done lots of innovations also in the party. Not only that, social media we are organizing. We are again recruiting lots of new teams for our social media. We are weak in social media. This time we'll organize well. Hopefully within a week we'll be able to organize our team properly. Thank you.
Katamasa 100